Ever wonder why your drawings look flat like a pancake, but video games like Minecraft or GTA make buildings pop in 3D? It's all about perspective. Today, we're diving into 1-point and 2-point perspective, the cheat codes to make your art look real. Let's level up. First up, 1-point perspective. Imagine you're staring straight down a hallway at school. Everything gets smaller and meets at one spot, right? That's the vanishing point on the horizon line, where your eye level is. Draw your horizon line first. Eye level, like if you're standing or sitting. Pick one vanishing point on it. Then, for a room or road, draw lines from your shape straight to that point. Boom! Instant depth. 1-point perspective gives depth to your drawing. Try it on your sketchbook. Draw the road on page 24. Step 1. Horizon line. Step 2. Vanishing point. Step 3. Connect lines. Now, level 2. 2-point perspective. This is for when you're looking at something from the corner, like a building or your phone, from an angle. No straight-on stare. Same horizon line, but 2 vanishing points, one left, one right. Keep vertical lines straight up and down. Slant your horizontals to those points. Relate? Think skateboarding down a street. Ramps and boxes look tilted and deep. Or drawing your dream car from the side angle. Pro hack. Use for buildings, boxes, or anything boxy. Avoid if it's a circle. That's next level. There you have it. 1 point for straight shots, 2 points for angles. Practice these, and your art will go from noob to pro. Grab your pencil and draw the corner building on page 24.